Hi folks, today we're here talking about my cup wrench. This is an oil filter wrench that will catch the oil. If you look at the video, you'll see on the right the old way of catching the oil on the ground and all over the place versus the new way, which is to catch the oil in this cup. And you'll see I'm not wearing gloves, my hands will not get oily, and the oil will be caught within this cup wrench. You won't need a plastic bag. You just need to hold it there once the threads come loose. Just hold it there to let the oil drain out of the tube and into the cup for a few minutes. This particular wrench is for the F53 or 7.2 liter V8 oil filter FL820S. If you have any questions about this, visit us at doingcreatesknowledge.com.